All right, 2008 Nissan Altima. I'm gonna go through this real quick to let y'all know how to take this radio out. First thing you wanna do, take this out. That's the AC vents. Best thing, take your panel removal tool, come in here. Be very careful because some of these dashes are really soft and they will make little indentions, kind of like that. You can press it back together, but still just try to be careful. Get that out. You're gonna have two Phillips heads right there at the top. Go ahead and take those out. That holds the top of the radio. Next, you wanna come down here, stick your hand in the back, pop that off, and then you see that bracket? One Phillip goes there, one Phillip goes there. And then you wanna go ahead, take those two Phillips out. And now everything else is held in by clips right along the side. Snatch the whole radio out. I've already dismantled everything just to make a quick video and disconnected all my harnesses. And now we're gonna take this AC out of here, put it in the new dash kit, get everything wired up, and you'll see how it looks when it gets done. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done with it being installed. Everything turned out perfect. If you found any value in this video, please like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is JP signing out.